Ready? Start. A few days ago, I had the honor of presenting the report of the Planning Commission on the 10th 5-year plan to this House. Stop. On that occasion, I said something about the preparation of this report during the last 2 years and more. Stop. The report is a fairly formidable volume to look at, but perhaps if all the papers that were prepared in connection with this report during the last 2 years were piled together, they would be something in the nature of 100 times this volume. Stop. That, of course, does not mean that the quality of the work must necessarily be high, but I mention this fact merely to indicate to the House how much labor had gone, how much discussion had taken place before this report reached its more or less final stage. Stop. In a subject like planning, I do not know what honorable members of this House think, but to me, who is no expert but who has been connected with thinking and discussion about planning for the last many years, I found my own mind expanding and always fresh avenues coming into view. And there is no end to the process, and when I present this report to this House, I would call it in no sense a final report, but a report of the work done thus far. Stop. The work continues like the whole question of planning continues, like indeed the vast and varied activity of the nation continues. Stop. Stanza. The book deals in the ultimate analysis not with some theory but also with activities of hundreds of millions of people in this country. Stop. Over.